Hi everyone, Jamie Humphries here again, and welcome to another lesson where today we are taking a look at Wish You Were Here by Pink Floyd. Now this is an absolutely fantastic acoustic track for you to learn, taken from the album of the same name. Now Pink Floyd were really popular during this period. We had such standout albums as Dark Side of the Moon, we had Wish You Were Here, we had Animals, and also The Wall. So what I'm going to do here, I've arranged this for one guitar. There are some slide parts in this track using an open G tuning, but I've arranged everything for one guitar being played in standard tuning. So let's kick things off by taking a look at the introduction, which also forms the basis for the main chord progression that you hear throughout this track. 1, 2, 3. So like I said, this chord progression features throughout this track. There are some slight variations depending on what section follows, but you will hear this during the intro where it has this kind of weird lo-fi sort of radio effect to the guitar tone. And then it appears later on during instrumental sections. There's like a little keyboard section and also the guitar solos. So let's take a look at the chord progression and that famous riff. Now, throughout the track, it normally starts on the G note. Okay, with that little open string hammer-on figure. So you're playing the 3rd fret E, open hammer, open, and then the root note of the E minor 7th chord. But during the introduction, when the song first kicks off, we just have a... Then we have an E minor 7th chord. So that's down, up, down, up, down. So come into that. Then we have this figure. So that's open G. 2nd fret D, open G, so. And then we go into a G major chord.